I'm writing a paper on when the book of John was written for class in history. So, prepare Word and Google. So the first place I'm going to look is Google, just to get an idea of the subject. So just type it in, the book of John, um, Boolean Bible and Bible, Boolean and um, date written. So I'm going to look at the different links. Um, going to start with BibleArchaeology.org. It's a well done site. Looks like it could have possibly good information. It's linking to a um, peer-reviewed article. Okay, and it's a um, somewhat recent thing with the past few years, so it's not too outdated. So I'm going to just save this one in Word and uh, come back to it. I'm just going to copy the entire link, and if I decide to end up using it, then I will get the um, citation. Okay, back to looking at um, other sources. Theopedia.com, and it looks like a really crappy done website. And I already can see some misinformation I know about it. It thinks there's only 8 I am statements and there are 18, so I'm gonna say no go on that website. Okay, this one is talking about I'm going to choose this website, GTY, talking about John MacArthur. I've heard about him. He's a pretty famous cited theologian, so I could probably take some of this information. Okay, it's just all the dates of all the books of the Bible. So see if I can find on this website a article just on the book of John, since that's the topic we're going for. And doesn't have it, so I don't think I can use this. I'm just trying to get at least 2 or 3 good articles, and then I'm going to check some peer-reviewed things on Galileo. Here I'm going to biblica.com. I've heard of this website as well. Okay, this one is talking about the 2 different major views of when John was written. Okay, from everything I've seen so far, it's pretty legit. Okay, I don't see any peer-reviewed things or any I agree, I disagree areas. Um, but has a pretty replicable source, so I think we could at least give it a shot, possibly, if we can't find anything else. I'm sure if I look, I could find some um, who backs it up. Actually, I'm going to do that. Who backs up this website? Okay, he's that John MacArthur guy I was just talking about, so cool. Alright, now going to Galileo. Okay. Do, do, do. Okay. Okay. I'm going to look at some different databases that the library has. And it also is including Galileo databases. So I'm going to search by subject. Going to type in, oh, nope, I typed in Bible in the search function, and it found one database. So we'll see how this works. And it did not. Connection failed. Okay, well, going to search all the databases in, and type in just Book of John, search, and wait. Cool. So let's put it out to academic journals for resource type. Okay, I'm going to Boolean search and Bible. That way it gets rid of all these books that have nothing to do with the one I'm looking for. And also going to Boolean the word and looking for date written. See, that'll narrow down my 849,000 search results down to 296,000. A little bit better. Um, for some reason it took away the academic journal thing, so I'm going to put that back on there. Down to 78,000 by 78,000 now. It's a lot better. And we'll search for scholarly and peer review and online full text only. And obviously you need to be in the library, so Go ahead and do the little thing where the library gets it. But okay, there we go, down to a lot better things. Okay, these are all pretty good. Looking through the different links, the different articles. Okay, and this one looks pretty good. It's I'd have to do ILL, interlibrary loan, but looks like from the introduction seems pretty legit for what I'm looking for. Okay, going to save the name and move on. Control C. Oops, did not work. Got 3 sources so far. 2 of them are peer-reviewed articles, and one of them just seemed like a pretty good source backed by some people I know and people I've heard of. See if I can just quickly look and see if I see any more. I'm going to retype in a search. I'm going to say different views on when the book of John was written, and I'm going to Boolean and Bible. I'm going to Boolean not Wycliffe, because that was a lot of his stuff just popped up and I didn't want to see it. Okay. Oops. I don't know what just happened, but something messed up. I'm going to retry that. I think I did a search history thing. Different views on when the book of John was written and Bible. Okay. These all look pretty good. And this one looks good. Cool. Oh,